My main tip, if you don't take anything else from this video, I want you guys to take this. Less is more. Hey guys, it's your girl Sofineee. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not, you already know what it is. Let's get into this video. Alright, so as you guys can see, my hair looks a little bit of a mess. I am in dire need of a retwist, like part wear. But I'm in the middle of trying to see if I can get somebody to do my hair, because I'm not gonna lie, the longer my hair gets, the more I'm like, I don't know if I want to deal with it, but we'll see. So that's a quick little update for those of you that know about my hair journey, what I do. But if you came on this video specifically for these tips, all right, I'm gonna give it to you right now. So as I'm going about this video and give you guys the tips, I'm also going to be moisturizing my hair, because that's literally what it is, how you're able to maintain and get the healthy and shiny locks. These are the products I use. So I have this spray bottle. In the spray bottle, it has water and vitamin E oil. Any kind of vitamin E oil. I can also leave a vitamin E oil that I use from Amazon, link down below. And I have my applicator bottle along with some Haitian castor oil imported directly from Haiti. It doesn't have to be directly black Haitian castor oil. It can be Jamaican black castor oil. It can be any kind of castor oil. But my go-to oil is castor oil. Let's do a quick little 360 so you guys can see the before, because my hair is screaming from dryness. I haven't moisturized my hair in about a week. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. Normally I moisturize my hair about 1 to 2 times a week, and I haven't done it for this week yet, so that's why my hair looks as dry and crunchy as it is. It's not as soft and luscious as it normally would be if I did moisturize it. So this is why I'm doing it right now. I also live in New York City, so as the weather is getting colder, I'm going to need to moisturize my hair a little bit more, because of the coldness. It's going to dry my hair out. So from 1 to 2 times a week, I go to about 2 to 3 times a week, even like one more time, like every other 2 days or so, that I will moisturize my hair, because like I said, it's dry. I'm not always going to be wearing a hat, so that cold air is always going to dry and draw all the moisture out of my hair. So it's really needed. So like I said, do every 1 to 2 times a week. So if you do every 3 to 4 days like me, and you notice that your hair is still a little bit dry and still needs more moisture, go ahead and do it. If you need to go every 2 days, every 3 days, do so. Like, do what your hair needs, because your hair is going to tell you what exactly it needs, the type of moisture that it requires to like be maintained. So when you have your spray bottle and you have some oil in it, always remember to shake it, because oil and water will separate. So just shake and make sure that everything is all mixed up. And I have the 180 so it doesn't have to keep on doing this. I would just, I don't know if you guys can see that, but spray it all into my hair. Just one long spray. And I don't do it too much so that it doesn't get completely drenched. Just enough that I feel like it's actually a little bit softer and more moisturized. I do it along my locks, specifically along my locks. Try to separate and get in between them as well. And this is just to add that moisture. Rub it in with my hands. And then I'm just gonna go with my oil. I have the applicator bottle. Sometimes I do like to directly apply it, but I feel like a little bit too much comes out of it. So I like to just apply it along my palm like this, my fingertips, if you guys can see that. And then what I do is I rub it in my fingertips, and I just give myself a massage. And that's literally, so as I'm applying it to my scalp in the different sections, I add the oil. So I just keep on doing this. I don't sit there and go through all my parts. I go where I feel like I itch a lot more. I feel like where I just try to get everywhere. So I try to get definitely the nape of my neck, because at night when you're having your bonnet on or you wear whatever you're wearing, it does that, the material definitely does soak up all the material, all the oil. And then I go on my edges for sure. Make sure you moisturize and oil up your edges. And I just continue this process until I feel like my hair is completely saturated with my oil. So now that my oil is all in my scalp, I normally have like a little bit of oil left on my hands, so I don't normally like take the oil and put it in my palm and rub it in my locks, but I will rub any excess oil that I have just to add some extra shine. So I did one side and just rub that in there, and a little bit goes a long way, especially on your locks. So it doesn't need to be like completely drenched like how you did your scalp. It'll still have that little moisture and have that shine as your scalp does, because literally the oil is going to drip directly from my scalp into my locks anyway. So I don't want to put too much so that it weighs my hair down. I mean, even though it's locked, so being weighed out is not an issue, but just so that it can just not be so much product in it, because your locks is already a magnet to lint, and adding oil and stuff to it will make it even worse. So I don't want to add any more problems by adding more oil so that my hair can attract more lint, because I hate having lint in my hair. I hate finding them. I hate trying to pull them out. Like lint, I said this before in multiple of my videos, lint is a devil. I don't like it. I would say like the main thing about being able to maintain healthy shiny locks is about finding the right products that work for you. I preach this on and on and on. Less is more. Don't have to be using 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products in your hair and then wondering why your hair is breaking, why your hair is thinning, why your hair has all these issues. It's because you're using too many products. So find the oil, stick with it. Find a shampoo, stick with it. Find a moisturizer. I know some people use rose water as well, just regular water as well, salt water. I don't know about salt water, but just something that's moisturizing that you feel like you can also spray in your hair every once in a while. Spray your hair every day if you're a starter. So just to get that moisture and to get your hair into that routine of locking and matting up and doing all of that, that really is beneficial for in the beginning stages. In addition to, like I've said, not to use too many products, it will also add to more buildup. So instead of adding more shine and moisture to your hair, you're just gonna add more products to add more buildup to your locks. And nobody wants a whole lot of gunk and white stuff and all this stuff in their locks. So this defeats the purpose of having healthy hair if you have all this stuff in your hair. So this was a very short and sweet kind of video. I just wanted to give you guys some of the tips and tricks that I do to maintain my healthy and shiny locks. And I was able to moisturize my hair in the middle of it. Like I can definitely feel a difference. That little bit of water and oil will make a great big difference in your hair. And the more often that you do it, the more you do it, you get into a routine. You don't even think about it anymore. You just be like, oh, it's time. Let me go moisturize my hair, get it out the way. You could be watching TV while you're doing it. You could be reading a book while you're doing it. Like literally, it's really easy. You don't even got to think about it. You don't got to be paying attention to it, and just moisturize your hair. Find a time, find a place, and just do it once or twice a week. Just to get into it. If you feel like your hair needs a little bit more, add more. Do what your hair tells you, because it's going to tell you based on the dryness, how it feels, how it sounds. Like your hair should not be crunching in your hand. So yeah. And if you like videos like this, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, subscribe below if you're not already, and put on your bell notification so that you're notified each and every time that I post a new video. Always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay cute and stay fine.